there exit. Let's run. If you're not a little barbecue chicken and want to do it again, go through the other door. Room's clear, brother. Get moving. Cleared the room, brother. Go to the next. Cleared the room, brother. Go to the next. Room's clear, brother. Get moving. Cleared the room, brother. Go to the next. All right, man. Next room. Cleared the room, brother. Go to the next. All right, man. Next room. Wow. And I mean wow, brother. That's really good shooting. All right, brother. If you're done, go ahead and walk through that there exit. Or, if you're not a little barbecue chicken and want to do it, all right, man, go through the other door. Wow. And I mean wow, brother. And I mean done, go ahead and walk through that there really good shooting.